I would like to welcome all teachers and students of Standard 12, existing Standard 12, and those who pass the Standard 12. Today we have a session, and its title is Career Guidance for 12th and after 12th Commerce, especially for the admission of CA, CS, and CMA. I would like to introduce here the today's guest of speaker, eminent speaker, who has joined us right from many years and working very eagerly with all the aggressively with institution to upliftment of the students in CS, CS, and CMA examination and its preparation. Professor Mr. Sandesh Mukhedkar is here today to interact to you people, to clarify your doubts and enrich you regarding the information which is necessity of CS, CS, and CMA. Sir is the founder and director of STEPS Academy and STEPS Foundation. Principal at SMN Junior College and a PCACS in our Art, Commerce and Science Pimpri Chinchwad College, existing with Junior College in our own premises only at Ravet. The Commerce Academy head, BCCA State Coordinator. Sir is having the deepest knowledge about the procedure and having the good command over the entire procedure also. I heard 2 or 3 times, sir, in a previous seminar also. And I always felt that this seminar, such kind of seminar should be conducted time to time in a regular interval for students understanding point of view. And there are additional information. Career, I found that one most of the time, because of not having the correct information or enough information, it may be for the commerce student, it may be for the science students. Most of the students lost the good opportunity that may happen in their life because of the lack of such information. Plus, additional information, sir, will pass on to us. So we have a 30 minutes time, 35 minutes time. And I request Shri Mukhedkar sir, please take a charge and proceed with your webinar and to interact with the student. Sir, please.
Good morning all. Thanks, sir, for introduction about me. We will start session from 12th. We are students are like who are in 12th now and who are past 12th. So first we will start what is CA, what is CS, and what is CMA. So CA is basically a course that is called as Chartered Accountant course, CMA Cost Management Accountant, and CS is Company Secretary. In Chartered Accountant and in Cost Management Accountant, there are 3 stages like Foundation, Intermediate, and Final. And in CS, there are also 3 stages that is called as EET, Executive Entrance Test, then Professional, and then Final. Because these 3 stages are involved for the students who are preparing their graduation or preparing after the 12th, that is BCom, BBA, BCA. In this course, I will start from foundation, that is I will explain first Chartered Accountant. In Chartered Accountant, there are 4 subjects in foundation. First subject is accounts, second subject is economics, third subject is mathematics and statistics, and fourth subject is law. The foundation exam is for 400 marks. Each paper consists of 100 marks. There are 4 papers, 100 into 4, 400, and passing criteria is 50%. Means if you are giving the paper of CA foundation for 400 marks, 200 marks is compulsory for passing in aggregate. I will explain it. Like if you are taking marks in accounts 40, in maths 50, in economics 40, and law 40, you are pass, but you will fail in the aggregate because you want to pass in aggregate. That is, out of 400, minimum 200 marks are required. So I will explain the syllabus of CA Foundation. In accounts, you have the syllabus of 11 accounts, and some syllabus of BCom, BBA first year's account is involved in the CA Foundation. In accounts 11, it will start from bookkeeping and accountancy, introduction of bookkeeping and accountancy, meaning, definition, scope, features, importance, bookkeeping and accountancy difference, and different journal entries. That is called as the syllabus will start personal account, real account, nominal account, transaction, journal entry, ledger, and after that subsidiary books, depreciation, bank reconciliation statement, rectification of errors, and final account are the chapters of CA Foundation, which we studied in the 11th standard. Then if I discuss about 12th standard, that is, we will start from final account, NPO, that is non-profit organization, admission, retirement, date, dissolution, company accounts, and bill of exchange. All the chapters are involved in the syllabus of CA Foundation. Students, just remember that if you are preparing CA Foundation from the 11th, that is the first day of 11th, you will be passed at 100% ratio, because the syllabus of CA Foundation is nothing but 11th, 12th syllabus. 95% syllabus of 11th and 12th is for CA Foundation. So if a student is preparing smartly and from first day, he will pass definitely and he will score in accounts. If I move to second subject, that is called as economics. In 11th, we have 12 chapters. In 12th, we have 12 chapters. Out of 24 chapters, the syllabus of economics consists of, for CA Foundation, is for 16 chapters, like money, like introduction to macroeconomics, law of demand, supply, functions of money, different types of money, Indian economy, globalization, privatization, all are involved in the syllabus of CA Foundation. So this is the basic of accounts and economics. Next, if I moving for third subject, that is called as law. There are different concepts of law, different chapters of law, like law of contract, sale of goods act, negotiable instrument act, partnership act, companies act. These acts are covered in the law. This subject is different for the 11th and 12th commerce students. Like if you are studying in 11th and 12th commerce, the subjects are accounts, economics, secretarial practice or mathematics, organization of commerce, English, and information technology. OC means organization of commerce. All the students are studying of 11th and 12th in state board. We don't have law. So for CA Foundation, law is different subject. Please understand properly. If a student is studying in state board, accounts, economics, SP or OC, SP or mathematics, OC, English and IT are the compulsory subject. Student want to choose either SP, that is called as secretarial practice, or mathematics. And some students are getting doubts and related to, if I am not taking SP, can I do CA? Yes, he can do CA. So if I taking maths, can I do CA? Yes. There is no rules and regulation related to taking admission for the CA Foundation. You can take secretarial practice as well as mathematics. Then if I moving to next subject, that is called as maths and stats. Students, some students are thinking that, sir, we don't like maths. Sir, we don't like science. So we have taken admission for commerce. And again, if you are thinking, if you are seeing that CA Foundation exam, why we can go for CA? So students, please note that if you are not interested, if you do not like maths, it's not mean like that you don't have the courage to solve the maths. The syllabus of 9th and 10th standard, that is called as probability, statistics, arithmetic and geometric progression, then statistics in that mean, mode, median formula, if you remember, this is the syllabus for CA Foundation. Students are thinking that maths is hard. Yes, if you are thinking maths is hard, you are taken for admission for commerce, it is okay. Don't take mathematics in 11th and 12th. But if you want to prepare CA Foundation, you can prepare easily. So 100 into 4 subject, that is called as 400 marks for CA Foundation, and your passing percentage is 50%. I suggest to students, I can talk to students like this, from 1st to 10th standard or from 1st to 12th standard, our percentage who are joined, all the students having percentage above 50%. So why we can't pass CA foundation? Why we can't think about CA? People and some surrounding relatives and friends and all the what we call societies persons are saying that CA foundation is hard. Yes, it is hard, but out of 100 agar if two persons are passing, that is 2% are passing ratio, then why we are not out of two? Just think about that. If 100 अगर 100 में से 2 बच्चे पास हो रहे हैं तो 2 में से हम क्यों नहीं है? अगर एमपीएससी यूपीएससी के रिजल्ट अदर देन महाराष्ट्र के स्टेट अच्छे निकलते हैं तो सीए सीएस सीएमए में अपना रिजल्ट क्यों नहीं निकलता है? और निकलता नहीं है तो उसमें से हम क्यों नहीं है? अगर ये सोच से हम अगर जाते हैं तो सीए फाउंडेशन इज नॉट एन हार्ड एग्जाम. Related to CA foundation, I have cleared. If any doubt, we can discuss after all the introduction about syllabus. Next, I am moving to CMA, that is called as Cost Management Accountant. Previously, it is called as ICWA, Institute of Cost Work Accountant of India. Now it is called as Institute of Cost Management Accountant of India. This consists of first exam, that is called as CMA Foundation. It also again 4 subject, 100 marks each, 4 subject, that is 400 marks paper, and passing is 50%, that is 200 marks. If you are getting, you are the pass student. Student, just remember CA foundation and CMA foundation syllabus is 80% same. I will discuss first subject, that is called as first subject is accounts, second subject is economics, third subject is law, and fourth subject is mathematics and statistics. In economics, in CMA management, just add OC, that is called as Organization of Commerce, of your 11th and 12th, that is called as management. First, I will start from accounts, same syllabus for CA foundation, that is from 11th and 12th, 11, 12, all syllabus, and some syllabus, some chapters of BCom and BBA are involved in the CA foundation as well as CMA foundation. Then second, if I'm moving to the second subject, that is called as economics, say microeconomics, law of demand, supply, all the functions of money, globalization, privatization, Indian economy, and global economy are involved in the syllabus of economics of CMA foundation. Next, in the subject of management, that is called as economics is for 50 marks and management is for 50 marks in the CMA foundation. For management, you have the syllabus of 11th and 12th OC, that is called as Organization of Commerce. Organization of Commerce we have studied, or those students are in 12th, that is called as planning, staffing, directing, ordering, reporting, controlling, budgeting, that is called as POSDCORB. Introduction to management, management principles, functions of management, Henry Fayol principles, standard principles, scientific principles, all the concepts are involved in the CMA foundation management subject. Third subject is law, same like CA syllabus, that is called as Contract Act, Sale of Goods Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, Partnership Act, Companies Act. These are the chapters involved in the CMA foundation. Next, the syllabus for maths and stats is same algebra, and next mean, mode, median, that is called as statistics, probability. All the chapters, arithmetic progression, geometric progression are involved in the syllabus of CMA foundation. Friends, I will compare about CA and CMA first. 80% syllabus are same for CA foundation and CMA foundation. If you are preparing for CA foundation and if you are thinking that can I do both, that is called as CA and CMA foundation, you can go for both, that is called as CA foundation and CMA foundation, because 80% syllabus are same and concepts are same, entrance exam pattern is same, so you can go for CA and CMA. Then the third option is we have, that is called as CS. First option, first exam is for CS, that is called as EET, Executive Entrance Test. In CA and CMA, it is called as CA CMA foundation. In CS, it is called as CS EET, Executive Entrance Test. If you want to go for second stage, that is called as in CS. Third stage is professional. Or if you are going to prepare for CS Executive, you have to first clear EET, that is called as Executive Entrance Test. It is for 170 marks and 50% same passing ratio is there. In this business communication, environment, logical reasoning, and numerical aptitude. These are the syllabus, and current affairs are the syllabus of CSET. I will suggest to the girls that they can prepare CS because CS is the best career for the girls. Then CA, CS, CMA, if I compared, all the syllabus consist of CA, CMA is 80% same. So we think that exam is hard, but if you are preparing from first day, and it is having some one logic is there. If you are preparing your 12th board, if you are preparing your BCom or BBA with college, you can do just study for 2 hours. If a student is studying 2 hours daily, he can crack CA, CS, CMA foundational as well as intermediate and final. I will now explain the second stage of CA, that is called as CA intermediate. In CA intermediate, there are 8 subjects: accounts, costing, taxation, law, then accounts and audit, costing and finance, then financial management, and then management, strategic management. These are the subjects. It consists of groups. If you are preparing for CA intermediate, there are 2 groups. Again, 100 into 4 marks in one group, and your passing percentage is 50%. I am again saying that is called as 15%, 50% is passing. Students, just think upon that. From 1st to 12th, you are not below the 50%. So anybody, you have watched movie that is called as Anybody Can Dance. So my statement is anybody can do CA, CS, and CMA. Just don't think that passing ratio is less. Just focus on your studies. If you are studying in right now 12th, prepare final account, non-profit organization, admission, retirement, death, dissolution, and company accounts. That is chapter number 8, issue of shares properly. If you are preparing these 6 to 7 chapters properly, and if you are having basic of 11th standard is very well, you can crack and you can score in accounts in CA foundation. If your basic is clear and if you are clear CA foundation, friends and students, in CA intermediate, this syllabus consists of 30 marks. I am explaining CA intermediate first paper, that is called as in accounts. In accounts, all the syllabus of 11th, 12th and BCom BBA first year syllabus, that is syllabus for your CA foundation, is covered in your CA intermediate. Those students are passing, those students are clearing CA foundation in first attempt, they will not fail in the CA intermediate. Some rumors are going in market like CA foundation student can pass, CA intermediate can pass, students will fail in CA final, because some students are doing articleship with their final. If he is doing the 10 to 12 hours practice under the CA, and after that if he is studying, so he can fail. But those students have basic for foundation is right, intermediate is perfect, he can't fail for CA final also. So my basic point is, from first day 11th, 12th or after the 12th, prepare your 11th, 12th basic properly. Our textbook जो state book is एकदम जो state book perfect. Next, reliable, take reliable, and जो मॉडल्स दिए हैं CA फाउंडेशन के, उसको प्रॉपर से पढ़ो. CA फाउंडेशन का जो भी मॉडल मिलता है और 11th, 12th का स्टेट बोर्ड का बुक एंड रिलायबल फॉर अकाउंट्स इज इनफ. Don't purchase any notes in the market, from the market, because some notes are consisting from this state board books only, from reliable only, from CA foundation model only. You have to practice more. So just think upon the account subject, prepare from the golden rules. What is meant by transaction? What is meant by journal entry? What are the personal account, real account, and nominal account? There are only 3 golden rules: personal account, real account, nominal account. Students, in science, there are number of laws. In science, there are number of rules and regulations, but in commerce, only 3 rules. So this is the chance. This is the very, very good chance for us. We can prepare very properly and we can score. If I'm saying the second subject, that is called as tax, that subject is named as income tax. If the person is earning some income, he have to pay income tax. If there is income, there is a tax. That tax is called as income tax. This is the second subject in CA intermediate, and same it consists of 100. It consists of different chapters for 100 marks. Third subject is costing. Costing means if a person is some charges on any product, if production cost is called as costing. So all the costing calculation is involved in the chapter of costing. Next, fourth subject is law, again, which we are studied in CA foundation. This includes in the CA intermediate of the first group. I will repeat, in CA foundation, 8 subjects are there, 100 marks each, 100 marks into 4, 400. For first group, your passing ratio is 50%. That is, out of 400, you have to take 200 marks. In second group, also there are 4 subjects. 100 into 4, you have to take 50%. That is called as 200 marks. Next, final. After the your intermediate, you have to do articleship under the CA for 2 years, or you have to do articleship under any finance company for 2 years, and you can prepare for the CA final. Second, CMA intermediate, there are also in CMA intermediate 8 subjects are there. In first group 4 subject, in second group 4 subject, 100 into 4, that is called 400 marks, and passing ratio is 50%, and out of 400 you have to take just 200 marks. Some students are asking, sir, parents and teachers, our principals, our directors are asking, what is the percentage for your CA foundation or CMA foundation or CSET? Friends, remember that if you are qualifying this exam by 50%, that is called as out of 400, you are getting 200 marks. Here, passing is compulsory. Here, passing is important. No one will ask your percentage in the CA, CMA foundation or CSET. Out of 400, you're getting just 200 marks. And if you are passed, it will be beneficial for your CA intermediate. But concept should be strong. I'm not saying that take just 50%. Take a target of 280 marks. Now again, I am saying to the another topic that is called as CA foundation and CMA foundation. If you are scoring out of 400 280 plus marks, you will be the top 100 students amongst all India. So you have the target, you want to be target of CMA foundation topper all over India. If your score is just 280, I am saying just because students, if you are planning for 2 subjects, if one of the student is Anushka is there, Anushka's maths is okay and accounts is okay. So she have to prepare accounts and maths very well. She can score accounts and maths 80 plus. That is 80 plus 80, 160. And in 2 subjects, if she is securing 50 marks, so 160 plus 100, 260. Understand? If students are preparing very well in 2 subjects, then they can score all over India rank. Sir, why you are saying about India rank? Because if you are passing, it is okay. But if you are passing with topper, all India rank, company will introduce to you, and company will ask what will be the package for you for our company.
Very good.
So friends, just listen and just remember, prepare only 2 subjects perfectly and score in that 2 subjects in CA foundation as well as CMA foundation. One of the student named Preet Agrawal, last year he scored out of 400 276 marks, and his all India rank is 44. He's the student of us, and all over India rank is 44. And now he is preparing for both groups CA intermediate. Company are asking to him join our company as articleship and take package of 10 lakhs for articleship. He's not completed his CA. He's just doing articleship with CA inter. So students, remember that if you are scoring, if you want to do CA, CS, CMA, take seriously. If you want to do to show to the parents, relatives, I am doing CA, don't do CA. This is because it is a professional exam. If you want to do study, a professional study, you have to be a first professional. What is professional? From first day, you have to think the name behind. If you put your name before, that is called as CA, CS, CMA, like Dr. Ashish Deshmukh. Add prefix there. Dr. Santosh Nagar. Like this, if you are add CA Saurabh Chaurasia, then you have to prepare properly. You have to prepare seriously. You have to prepare professionally. Then you can prepare very well and you can score as well as you can top in the exams of CA and CMA and CS as well as. Next, I'm moving to the third, that is called as CSET. This is best career for girls because students, those who are sitting properly, those who can sit more than 10 to 12 hours, those who can learn mug up very properly, these are the girls only. From last 10 to 12 years, I will congratulate to all the girls because for 10th, for 12th, state, CBSC, ICSE in any board or any CA, CS, CMA or MPSC, UPSC exams, all the toppers are girls. So girls, if you are listening, then prepare CS with CA or CMA. CS is best career for you, but you can prepare both. That is called as CA plus CS, CMA plus CS, because it is beneficial for you. I will explain how it is. Because you are the company secretary. If you are past the CS and you are the company secretary of Infosys company, example I am giving. If you became the CS of Infosys company, as well as you completed your chartered accountant, then you can go for accounting department. You can take possession of CA, that is called as all the departments of accounts. You can handle the departments of accounts. And if you are completed CS and CMA, that is called as cost management account, then you can go for decision making. What is meant by management? A management is what management does. You can provide guidelines to the company for company's incorporation ratio, incorporation regulations, rules and regulations, but you can add in to the management of the company. Like you can go to the level of CEO and CFO if you are completing CS and CMA. So these are the basic guidelines for CA, CS, CMA, as well as for CA, CS, CMA, you can do both, which I have explained, CA and CMA or CS and CMA. Plus, don't think only for CA, CS, CMA. You have to take admission for BCom, BBA, as well as BCA. You can do BBA, BCA is the best course. It is the best course for 12th commerce students. Those students now are in 12th commerce. Just think and just prepare and just focus on accounts, economics, SP or mathematics and OC. Prepare these 4 subjects very, very properly. I will just wait for 2 minutes. If you have, if the students have doubts, you can ask.
Hello, students. Mayura madam, you just ask all the students if they have any queries. Sir is present here. And students, if you have any doubt, you please approach to the sir.
Yogesh.
Sir, this year Palak Patil stood second.
Yes, sir.
She has taken some training from you in last year also for the preparation of CA. Now she
Yes,
is
sir.
confidently going to pursue a CA. Yesterday she met me, and
Okay.
now she is approaching toward the one of the leading institution for the preparation of the CA.
Yes, sir. Last year, 2 students have passed from our institute, that is called as from CSET, Vineet and Rutuja.
Vineet Agrawal?
Vineet Agrawal, right, sir?
Right, na?
Right. And Rutuja Kadam.
Rutuja Kadam, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Yeah.
was sure
And
about
though,
because
yes,
his sister and with altogether we are preparing for this competitive examination only. And right from the beginning,
Yes.
sir, they force and focus on the hard work and consistency. Anna, they never
Yes. Yes, sir.
deviated from
Yes, sir.
their consistent study, as you told me. So they got the reward, sir.
Yes. Yes. And both are
Which
studying in BCom in our college only.
correct, na, sir. Correct.
Yes.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
Yogesh. Yogesh is raising hand.
Sir, we have one question from student named Tanu. The
Okay.
question is, sir, can we do CS plus financial law?
Sorry, once again.
The question is, can we do CS plus financial law?
Yes, you can do both CS and law. How you can do? Just if you are in 12th or past 12th.
I think he's in 12. She's in 12 now, sir. Now she's in 12.
Okay. Okay, you can do first thing that you have to just register for CSEET, and after the 12th exam you can go for financial law. Is it okay? Any question? Welcome.
Hello, students. Those who are having issues, they can raise their hand and ask the question. Okay, fine, sir. Proceed.
Okay. Last but not least, prepare 11. Those students are in 12th. Just prepare like these subjects. 4 subjects are compulsory, which we have to move for BCom, BBA, BCA, as well as CA, CS, CMA Foundation and Intermediate. Prepare from basic, that is called as accounts. Just start from bookkeeping and accountancy, meaning, definition, importance, features, difference between bookkeeping and accountancy. Then golden rules, personal account, real account, nominal account. Then prepare chapter number 3rd, journal entry, chapter number 4, ledger, chapter number 5, subsidiary books, depreciation and rectification of errors. These are the 6 to 7 chapters which are important in the CA Foundation, CMA Foundation. And again, don't excuse or don't skip any chapter of accounts, economics, SP or maths or organization of commerce. Students are preparing for marks. Sir, this is for 2 marks. Why we can't study? Why we are to choose this subject? Why we are to this do chapter? Don't do this, because don't go for marks. आपले माजी राष्ट्रपती अब्दुल कलाम आपल्याला सांगून गेलेत, जोपर्यंत चांगले मार्क म्हणजे चांगली नोकरी लागणे असा हा कन्सेप्ट पालक, विद्यार्थी आणि शिक्षक यांच्या डोक्यातनं जाणार नाही, तोपर्यंत समाजात फक्त नोकर जन्माला येतील, मालक जन्माला येणार नाहीत.
Correct, sir.
And
correct.
our commerce field is giving for jobs. We can do opportunities. We have the number of opportunities. We have the number of things that we can do startups. If a student is doing CA, CS, CMA, he can do and he can give the job for 10 to 15 families. He can survive 10 to 15 families. So think about that and prepare properly. And for CMA, those who have the business background, those students' family have business background, they can go for CMA, because for manufacturing, each and every product manufacturing, you have to require one man that is called as cost management accountant. So you can do degree as well as you can do business in the field of CMA, that is cost management accountant. And last, that is called as CS. Those students have the courage or due to knowledge of law, all the law that is called as Contract Act, Sale of Companies Act, Industrial Labor Act. Those students they can do properly in the CS. Like they can do a practice of LLBs. Last option for CS is they can do CS plus law. That is called as CS plus LLB for 3 years. So students, this is from my end. If any doubt, you can ask. So we will.
Yes, student.
Student name Yogesh Shirke is asking about some BCom information.
Which information, ma'am?
BCom information, sir.
BCom. If student is if student is in 12th, he can do BCom from our college, which is
Correct.
located at Ravet only. What is the difference between for BCom in our college and other institute is we are providing different trainings that is called as industrial trainings. We can provide a number of trainings like we are sending students to the banks, institutions like insurance company, like different companies visits, industrial visit, company visit, and different types of mall visit. So student can entertain, student can take the knowledge from banks and other institutions. Plus, as well as we have the sessions for communication also, for stage daring also, different sessions we are giving to the BCom students. So for BCom, if you are thinking, our college that is called as PCACS is best, according to me, as well as the knowledge related to the PCMC area.
Correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Students, even if you have your queries, you please note down. And after a few days, or I request to Mukhedkar sir, one session face to face we will have in our college also class. And those who want to continue their sessions for the preparation of CA, CS, CMA, so sir will conduct extra lectures and preparatory lectures in our college after 12th standard lectures over. Last time also 4-5 students was there in the class, and Palak Patil, I remember one of the students who got the best position and secured the best marks in 12th standard board examination under the supervision of all the commerce teachers and Mukhedkar sir. So I request you and appeal you, if you want to prepare these 3 examinations, come forward. Please meet me or feel free to talk to me. Then we can have a communication with Mukhedkar sir, and you can continue your training session after the 12th standard regular lectures. So be hurry. And even 1-2 concepts I have cleared today during the sir's explanation. Is that one, Kimis? It was, sir, it was in my mind. If you want to go for the preparation of the CA, so mathematics is mandatory or necessary. But today you said the child who can secure the SP subject at 11 and 12 also can be eligible to just go for the preparation of the CA. So really it's a good,
Yes,
it's a really absolutely fine. Otherwise it was in my mind, this CA is the game of all the numericals and figures. So what is the role of SP there in the CA? As far we relate
Yes,
to the industry, as far we relate to the management, SP is absolutely fine. But thanks. And students who had an idea like me, ki maths is a mandatory CA, I think they cleared their doubt. And one important thing is there. Kimi sir said that 1 2 students pass out that at least 200 marks. Those who have a low score in 11 and 12 standard. But if you have a determinant, if you have a strong target and consistency in the preparation, very importantly, your willingness is very important. If you decide, if your target is confirmed, no one can stop you to reach to that target. So in that traveling, in this journey, we people are with you, and I appeal, if you want to just go for the extra training and want to just communicate with sir, you please do talk to me immediately, so that without wasting time, we can start our additional classes in afternoon. And but I get very good response from the last year students also. They are very happy, and they got too much advantages because of that additional training. See, students, if you want to do something additional or extra, so you need to just sacrifice your maximum. You need to be a consistent. Otherwise, success will not be awaited for you. So this is the beginning of your 12th standard. Do talk to your parent. Decide something better for your bright career and approach to us. So in this session, sir has given us a valuable time and sharing his idea. Then he interacted with the students. Students had some doubts. They cleared their doubts, even though they will talk to later on to sir also. And thank you very much, Mayura madam, all the 12th standard students and Mukhedkar sir for your appreciation to the students accounting and for your valuable time to interact with them. Hope again you
Yes.
can give an opportunity to listen to you in future. And, thank you very much, sir, and have a nice day for all, once for all.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you.